flamingo. Let's get started. The first step to a 180 is you're going to take the middle piece of a hanging folder, and then you're going to use that to create the perfect 1 centimeter fold over. You just stick that hanger right in there and then fold underneath. And as you can see, it's going to make a perfect 180. And you'll repeat that on all the pages. Begin marking on top of the 180 fold. At this point, it's very similar to the cut and fold style. Make sure your marks are at the very edge so it makes it easier to cut in. Next, you'll cut in the 1 centimeter in, creating tabs. As you can see, you're going to use cardstock and make sure it's cardstock that the color goes all the way through so that you can see it from the edges. And you're going to slip it inside of the between the tabs, and you're just going to glue it right in place. You can use any type of completed project. For more great tips, patterns, and demos, check out my book, Book Folding for